Okay. So my account page, we have written the test cases. Yeah, these tests we have to verify, right? Is log out exist, is search exist. That we have to accept. So maybe you can write a different test cases and do that. Then click logout link. Okay. Get my account menu option list. You have to compare basically this one, and also get my account header list. This also we have to assert. We have to do a product search. Here also I'll do. We can do with the different products. We can search, right? That I can do a data-driven testing here also. So last class we have seen data-driven testing with Excel sheet, right? How to do data-driven testing with Excel sheet, and that you're reading from Excel to your data provider. That data provider data you're supplying to test method. That's what we have seen. So today I'll show you the data you store in the data provider itself, and then how you can supply to test method. Okay. So let's go and write the class name account space test. Okay. Account space test. So next class is I'll create a test ng class. Create test ng class. Before class. So we'll see after class also we need after method if needed. I'll take it. Account space test. Account space. My account page, right? My account page test. So my account, that's enough. My account page test. And take these annotations, which are annotations required for you. Click on finish. So the first step you already know. Previous whatever you have created, this you take login page. As it is, I'll take this. Okay. So the same thing I'll copy paste here. Okay. So change this my account page here. So here before class is there, remove that. And before method is there, and I'll keep this test case on the bottom side. Okay, I'll keep this in the bottom, in between that. So this is our test method, and you already done the before method. First here, so we need to do a login, right? Login you have to finish, and before class itself, you do the login. So let's go and do the login. I don't need this one. Yes, I am not going to do anything. Go to login page. Okay, after that, so login page dot do login, right? Login page dot do login. That we are doing rb dot get string username. So rb dot get string password. So why we are doing in the before class itself, the login? Why we are doing before class itself login?
Like it has to execute first.
So only one time it has to execute, right? That's the first. So my account page means you have to log in first. So you don't need to repeat that, right? Multiple times.
Yeah.
That is the reason I'm putting in the before class. So that's a before class. And then, so once it is logged in, it will come to before method. So before method just, it will wait for the page load. Then I'll do first test, my account page title test, account page title test. So account page title test. So account page title test.
Sir, once we have login, it will wait for page load for my account page. 38 line.
Okay, yeah. So you can put that wait time, yeah. Page object reference, you change it. This one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you can give description if you want more description. You want, you can write the description. So my account page title verification, and then so set dot asset equals asset dot asset equals. So I can put my account page dot get title, right? Get title. Then
Constants dot.
constants. Count page. Account page title is not there.
My account page title. Yeah.
My account page
My
title.
account page title.
Okay. Yeah, we have that. So then I'll put a severity very low. So just you can add, okay, the severity. Severity level dot. I can put a trivial. So let's select the trivial. So what is the next one after page title? So what other we have written? Just go and check that.
But URL.
Page URL. Page URL also we can put. Account page URL test. So let's do the account page URL test. Test cases. Okay. So this is, I can give a priority 1 for this. Okay. Priority 1. And here this is done. And account page URL test. So URL here, my account.
Get URL.
Get
URL.
account page URL. get account page URL, my account page URL. Constants, but we are given a partial, right?
Dot contains.
So we'll see here what. Okay, so this is returning a string. We are getting the. Okay, we are getting already. Directly we can do that. Assert, and then constants we can. Fraction, I need to verify. Fraction of data I have to verify, I'll do that. So URL test. Maybe this I'll change it to assert true. Assert true dot contains. Okay. So this is the next. So you can give here priority. Equal to 2. Same next, you can verify the next test case. See what methods you have written. You just see that my account page. You check that. What is the method name you have written? That method name you need to write. So what is the method name we have written? Next, search exists. So whether the search exists or not, you just check that. Okay, let's write that. Search exists. So next method is this one, my account page URL test. Next, this one, account page search exists. Search exist test. Simple. Search edit box exist test. So priority can give 3 and assert true.
True.
So my account page
Dot. Search exists.
is search exist. That's it. Next. So what is the next one we have seen?
Logout.
Is logout exist. So do the same thing. I'll just copy paste this so that is easy. Is account page logout exist? is log out link exist. So 3, 4. Next, my account page is
Logout exist. Logout.
so something you want to do verifications. So you can write like this. First, create the methods in the page class. Then you can do the test case here with the test is logout exist. So why is throwing error? It throws declaration. Okay. So next, what is the test case we have?
Click logout link.
Why you will click? You are doing a lot of test cases, madam. Why you want to do now? Why you will do now? Okay. So after that, first you have to see here. So this, I don't want now to click, right? Then I have to do few more test cases, right? This is the one. Get my account menu option list is the verification. So I have to do, this is returning a list. Okay, this is returning a list. So this list already constant space list, both you have to compare it. So assert equals, you have to do that. So let's go and do that. Assert equals, again compare assertions. So what you can put a heading. So what is the test case we are doing now? Account page header test, right? My account page header test. My account
Menu
page.
options.
Menu option also.
Menu
is there.
options.
Menu options also one is there, right? Okay. So menu header also there, right? Menu header also there. This one and also header list also. Get account menu option list, get account header list. So first let's do account menu option list. Okay. Get my account is my account menu option list verification. So account, my account page. So my account page, my account menu option, menu option test. So I'll say menu option test. So here, so my account menu option test. So you will get the menu. So what is that?
Get.
Account.
Get
My account.
My
Menu
account.
option list.
Menu option list.
Menu option
Second
list.
one.
So you are comparing the list and list. So both are the same data type only. So that you may have to make sure both are same data type. Then only you can compare, right? Otherwise, we cannot compare.
Expected my account menu options.
My account.
Expected.
Expected.
Expected
Oh,
menu.
expected. Okay, got it.
Column.
That is expected my account menu option list. So that's it. Same way.
Priority 5.
Sorry.
Priority 5.
Priority 5. We can change the priority. Okay. So then I can go to similar way. What is the next one?
Header.
My
My account
account
header.
header option.
My account header up. So headers list verification. So my account header text header test. Okay, my account header test. And here get my account
Header list.
Header.
so header list. And here expected
Header list.
so header list. Done. So these are all small test cases, right? So maybe I'll change this to trivial to
Minor.
normal. Okay, normal or minor. So I can change this to maybe normal. Okay, I'm just trying to give different severity levels. Okay.
Priority
Now,
you have to change.
so now we can see
Priority 6, sir.
Priority 6.
priority 6. We can change the priority. Okay, priority 6. So all the methods we are done, right? All the methods we are done. So what left now? So these two are done. Only search is left now. So let's do the search. So I have to do a product search. So I have to do a product search. Maybe we can do this multiple product search we can do, right? So how can we do multiple products? So I have to do a data-driven, right? So you can do a data-driven testing. So you can do a data-driven testing. So let's do the data-driven testing. First, you store the data, right? Store the data. Sorry. How can you do data provider? So data provider below public. So object to two-dimensional array. So product data, product test data. So you can put a product test data. Okay, that's my method name. So you know how to do this product, right? Object to two-dimensional. First, you have to create object to two-dimensional array. Object to two-dimensional array. So if you don't want to give number of, okay, it's up to you. How many products you want to store? You can just store it. Data equal to new object two-dimensional array. So how can you get this rows count and columns count? Columns count is 1 in my test case. Let me take this one test case. I'll take it. So here, so I can put product search test. Product search test, and you can give a string product name. String product name. Perform product search from my account page. So here, if you observe here, 7. And how many parameters are in this test method? How many parameters in the test method?
One parameter.
So that is your column count. This is your column count, 1. But how many sets of data you want to give? How many how many products you want to search? So
Like we have to fix it now, like,
yeah, you can fix it. Otherwise, without fixing also you can write.
okay.
So if you don't want to fix, then you should not write this left part. So you can write directly, you can assign, right? Return, and the return statement itself, you can write return. And then, you don't need this. You can directly write a curly bracket inside you can put. So you want me to show like that, or you want like this?
Both.
Both.
Both not possible, right?
This is enough, sir.
So both not possible. So I'll, if you want, I'll comment out this and I'll tell you that. Return. So return object to two-dimensional array. You create object, new object to two-dimensional array. That I'm doing. Okay. New object, right side part you are creating. Curly bracket inside. So you put all your data in the each curly bracket, one set of data. Each curly bracket. So like this. How many sets of data you want, you can place it. That's it. And then semicolon. So this is the number of that means how I'm doing 3 rows I'm putting. 3 rows I'm keeping. First row I'll say so we have a MacBook, right? Just to open Mac, iMac, something is there.
Mac. Yeah.
My IMAX.
So products you can see here, right? Products, Mac, MacBook, or something, right? So you can see here, Mac. So I want to see all the products. See MacBook, and then we have iMac, then Samsung, we have Samsung, right? So these are the Samsung also, we have different products. So we can see that. So those you can, so just include that. So let's go and do that. Show all desktop products means you can see that. So MacBook. So you can see MacBook. I'm putting. I'll keep this one. Okay, one product. I'll keep it. Let's go and do this. First product. And second one, iMac.
Pair.
So third one, Samsung. So you can. So you have already Samsung like this. So we can put all this. So iMac we search it, right? Last.
Yes. The text Mac.
Mac is there. Yes, it is there. So let's search Samsung.
Oh,
Samsung also available, right?
okay.
Samsung 2 products are there. So let's keep this, okay? So Samsung also another product. Samsung. So these are the 3 products. So either you can do this way, or you can put again data 00 MacBook, data 01 so 00, and because only one column only, right? 00 only you will get. So you know this process generally. You know this process. So inserting the elements, all three elements. This is the second row. This is the third row. So that means 3 rows. And here you don't need to specify number of rows here if you do like this. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
even
But the-
Excel also we can pass this data, right?
Yeah,
Product
Excel
item.
also can pass. Excel also can pass. So that last time we have done, right? From Excel to here, we have read that data that we have seen in the registration page.
Mhm.
Right? That test cases are already done. Now this one is, we are doing a different way. So directly how to store in the data provider. That I am showing because this is also another case you can do, right? So how you can store in the data provider. How you can store in the data provider. So this is the case. Okay. So let's move on to quickly, and I don't want to waste time here. Any other questions here? How you can map now data provider and the test case? Data provider
Data provider
Data pro-
equal to
method name.
this.
Data provider.
Product.
This name. I'll give this a name here. Okay, I'll give a name here. So this also I'll show something different. Okay. So I'll give a name. If you give a name for the data provider,
Product test
you have to pass the products. I'll just give products. Okay. This name you have to pass it here. Okay. Are we clear now? Now, first, what is the one you have to do? So you need a search. So search page also we need, right? Because why we need a search page? Results page we need. So results page you need to include in the base page. Let's go and include in the base page. Results page. Public. Results page. Why am I including results page?
Because
Searching.
this my account page search will go to results page.
Yeah, so search will go to that page. That's why I'm so doing that. So now create object for this class. So my account page. So create object.
Result page. Driver.
That's it. So basically that first result page equal to, so my account page dot do product search. So give the product name. Product name it is going to get from this data provider. So do a add throws declaration. Software. So this. So you have to get the results page title will change, right? So you have to verify the results page title. So I have to wait first. So I have to wait because it is going to search and you have to go to results page title and that page title you can get and assert it. Okay. Assert the page title. Let's do that. Assert page title. So I'll show you soft asset here. Soft asset. So let me show you soft asset. So maybe first we'll print the string result actual page title. Actual result page title. Result title equal to result page dot get title, right? Get title. That's the only we have written. Yeah. Next, if you want, you can print it. Log.info. You can print. So search result. I'm just to know, so for our reference purpose only I'm printing, other than that nothing, guys. So then I have to do a soft asset I will do. So what is a soft asset? So in the soft asset you hear, right? Till now we did a hard asset. Soft asset dot asset equals. So soft asset, import it first. Soft asset is a class. So let's create an object for this soft asset. First, you have to create object for a soft asset. So without creating object, we cannot do that, right? So soft asset object we need to create. So let's create a soft asset object. New soft asset. Soft asset dot object reference. So import the soft asset first. Dot, see, you got it now. Asset equals. So asset equals, you can, so actual title, actual results space title. So then, so did we put in the constants any, this H page title?
No, I think so.
No, right? Let's see, one product will search. Search -Samsung. So, and we have to keep this. So what is happening here? If you put the constants, where is this constants? Search, just you need to keep the search, okay? Otherwise I'll hard code there, okay? Let's go on the hard code here. What I can do, so this I'll hard code. This page title I'm taking, this one. So right click, inspect. So the search is common, right? Search is common. So header tag. How I am going to parameterize this, observe this. As it is, we need. That as it is, we need. I'll keep it as it is. Only the product name will change, right? Every time it will change here. So what you can do, simple, remove this. After this, you add the plus the product name. So you observe that the page title, how it is, right? Are you observing?
Yes, search
Search
hyphen product.
iPad, search Samsung.
So that is the one we are doing. Even here also, what I'm going to do, the count I will validate here, the search result space count. So we have a get search product count is there, right? I think we have a search
Yeah,
results
method
count.
here.
One method is there.
Mhm.
Get
Product searches.
get product search
Search
size
products.
greater than 0. Okay. So I'll put here asset true instead of asset equals. This is the greater than means this will give you a boolean, right, for us. It will give you a boolean only. So remove this, all this. That's it. See, a lot of new concepts are coming. Please understand here. Okay. See, I'm asserting with a soft asset, and this one is a hard asset. So soft asset, if title fails also, it is fine. And also I'm saying the product count should be greater than 0, I'm saying. So that's the whole test case. So this is the product sets also done. After that, I'll just log out. Okay, let's log out. So yesterday we did a one log out, right? In the login page only we did before class. This code as it is, you copy paste. This is what I want. So what I'll do, result space, it will go. After result space, you have to come back, right? Well, this is the last test case anyhow we are keeping. So yeah, let's run this first, okay? Let's run this. After class, we'll see that. So then log out we are doing, you know. So let's add this test case to our
TestNG.
TestNG class. Let's go and add this to. I'll remove all these reports. Otherwise, okay, fine. Let's add. So if you want to run only this, you can run only this. No issues in that.
Could calm down. Give it up. Give me open for
Test case.
my account.
MyAccountPage.
That's it.
How to set preference? You were saying yesterday, this one.
Preserve order.
Preserve order.
You can see one more parameter. Preserve order equal to true. That means the same order it will run. So how you mentioned here, same order it will run one by one. Okay. So
But if we want different way, no.
preserve hyphen order equal to true. We don't need to give a comma, right? That's so same order it will run. First home, then registration, then login. Whatever the order you mentioned, that is the preserve hyphen order. Okay, so let's run this Maven build. See that I don't need to again do Maven clean one time, Maven install another time at a time. So it will be done. So, for example, you don't want to run particular test case. How can you skip the test cases?
By keeping
Hmm?
hyphen.
How
can you skip the test cases? Particular test case you don't want to run.
No, so there is a
exclamation.
enable.
Yeah, exclamation mark.
Enable is this.
No.
Disable.
So enabled equal to false you can write.
Um,
Which test case you don't want to run, that test case, you can do that enabled equal to false.
There we have to keep that enable equal to.
You don't need to mention only that @test. So @test parenthesis inside, you just specify enabled equal to false. That's enough. It will skip automatically. Are we good? How to skip?
Yes, sir.
Please show.
Try giving all the TestNG features. So always we are giving enabled equal priority and description only, right? So you give enabled equal to false for one of the test method and check. So in your report, the test case is running or not. It should not run, basically. So this is the data-driven testing from Excel sheet. So Sridevi, this is the data-driven testing from Excel sheet.
Just a little bit of love.
So this is the run. So login is going on now. Login test case. To my account. Something wrong. It's not happening, right? I
Showing
think
the
we didn't
products.
click it. This is the menu is hiding, right? Menu is hiding. So test case is failed. Okay. So that's good, done. So one test case is failed. Element click intercepted exception. This is the one I want. So you should know this. How can you handle this? Element click intercepted exception. Okay. See, element click intercept. You got it now. You understood, right? Now why you got element click intercepted exception. So you're supposed to click on the search torch icon, but he's not clicking. So after typing, what is happening? Typed. Then it has to go and click on this, right? This one, this torch icon. What is happening? It is going and hiding that.
Okay.
So on top of that search icon, this menu is there. So that you need to handle. So that is the reason. But how you can handle this? Click intercepted exception. So that is where you are going to use a JS click. How do you handle element click intercepted exception? JS
Yes,
click.
okay.
So my account page So do products again, see line by line, you have to go. So 98th line, you got it. 98th line inside, you have a, so we didn't put any try catch block. That's why it is not giving complete. So you have to put a try catch block here. So here, this click. So instead of this click, you put a JS click. So, but I want to see the report. Okay, let's go and see the report. Today's report is there. Is this the today's report? No, so refresh. So refresh. See, this is the today's report. So go and see that. So you got the solution, click enter, subject exception comes, you have to use the JS click. JS click will help you to do that. See, failed test case also it will show now. See, total 49 passed, 3 test cases failed. So failed test case where my account page, right? My account page 9. This is wrong, right? It is not pulling 3 failed ones. It should pull that. Yeah, here anyhow we have this. See, failed one, you got the screenshot, you got the click intercepted exception and the complete stack trace also, why it is. So click intercepted. So which element also you can find it out. See why it is, see this menu is hiding that search icon, that is the reason. Clear? See the report, how clear it is. So now let's go and handle this. So I will add a try catch block here. Okay. Let's go and add a try catch block. This code I'll put in a try catch block. Surround with a try catch block. So I'll put this exception, element intercepted exception only I'm going to keep. You want to add one more exception, catch block, otherwise it is throwing a that exception, right? I will add one more exception. Element click intercepted exception. EIE. So element click C intercepted exception. I can put this, okay, like this. And then one try block, multi catch blocks I'm keeping. Okay. Dot print stack trace. That's it. But here I need to change it to JavaScript utils. So I need a JavaScript utils. So let's go and click create object for a JavaScript utils. So we have created somewhere home page we created.
Home page.
Home page we created.
Oh, we removed it.
Here. Registration, I think. This which page? My account page, right? And
That was there, sir. We already declared.
already there. Okay. Yeah, that's why it is coming here. So JS utils dot. So 98 line here. Instead of normal click, you put the
JS.
click dot click element by JS.
Search torch icon.
Second.
That's it. Or otherwise, you have to remove that menu option. So that's fine. Menu option is coming here. That's fine. So we'll run only failed test case, right? This failed test case only will run. How to run failed test case only? Right click on this, refresh. So if you go to target place here, this target place, surefire reports, and you will get a failed testng failed.xml. Can you see here? Product set. You see exactly that one only we got it. So this is the one. So you can run as testng suite. This is how to run failed test cases. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go and do this. Only failed test case only will run. We don't want all of them. We don't want all the test cases, right? So this is the easy way, right? Otherwise, you have to wait some more time. It's a waste of time or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now it's showing.
Done. Fast. See, test cases are fast. See, all the test cases are fast. So next time when you run also, it will work. But our scenario is different. So you try that also, okay? So this is how you can run the failed test cases. I have shown you how to run. And also how to handle, see, failed test case automatically grabbed the Excel file, XML file, it is created automatically under target, surefire reports, testng failed.xml. So see here you are getting a suit name, failed suit. Okay. And also see, can you see here one extra point? This class, only this class methods include which method you want to include from this test case. See, only these methods are including logout test, product sets test, common setup. But there are so many test cases are there, right? All are not included. If you don't include them, obviously those are excluded. By default, they are excluded. So that's excludes automatically. So which one you want to just include? Then methods. So only this class methods. See, class hierarchy. Please follow the hierarchy. Classes. Classes below which class? This class below which methods you want to include. And include tag, then give a name, then method name. Include tag, name, method name. So those methods only it will include from this class. See, then close the methods tag, close the class tag, close the classes tag, close the test tag, close the suit tag. So this is the hierarchy of your failed. So with the include tag. Okay. Yeah, good. Pretty much good. We covered assertions. We covered a soft asset, hard asset. We covered the data provider again, and we covered how to run failed test cases only, how to use intercepted exception if you get, how you can handle that. So that try catch block, I have shown you how to include a try catch block for that. So this try catch block and shows multi catch blocks we added. And this, so if this exception occurs, how to handle, this is going to handle that. Right? So it handled successfully and we are running. So just try it running once again and you will see that. Yeah. So tomorrow, what left now? What page is left? We finished almost. Product details page is pending. Only this one is pending. Then we can end the complete test case design also. I have written multiple. So then I will show you groups also, how to add groups for the test cases also. We'll see that. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.